guys, it's me again, Jenny from Just Jenny's Journaling. This is part 2 of the how to cover your journal. I started off and just needed to get this a bit of drying time. As you can see, I've made a little bit of a smudge on there, but we can fix that anon. So I'm just going to now, I've got one of these. I'm going to just glue it in place in the corner there, and it's not precise for me, but we're all different. This works for me at the moment. So I want to place it so that we have, it's on an angle there with, that's it, like that, just on the corner. And I wanted, yeah, right at the top corner, so we've got like graduated images, and I wanted this showing through little sleeve of the dress form there. And I love the way it frames the floral. And then what I thought I'd do with this, rather, I wanted to, let's put a title really. So I got these a little while ago. They're Tim Holtz Ideology little stickers, and I tried to see what I preferred. Don't know if you can see that, which with the white on the white or the black. And I think I'm going to go for the black background with the white writing. And I've chosen Enjoy Journal and Memories. I think I want to do 3. And I'm going to place them so. Enjoy memories across there, and journal. Right, that's that for now. I think I may actually cover that, the smudge on the back. So on there, we'll do that anon. The next thing I'm going to do is just quickly do the back, and I've just chosen a little bit of the paper, the gift bag. A little bit of the gift bag, and I'm going to centre it for now. I'm going to centre it. Don't know if I should just, yeah, I may do something else on the back. Actually, yeah, I've got some little butterflies I've cut out of here, of the I cut them out of the paper, the lining paper, and I might just scatter some of those butterflies actually onto the, let's just ink that up. Shouldn't be so impatient. Should have done this beforehand and given it time to dry. But you know what it's like as busy mums. So many things to try and get done in the morning, and I really wanted to get this done today before I go out and about. I'm going to look for linen thread I got from my local haberdashers a few weeks ago, well, a few months back, to sew my signatures in for my journals, but he seems to run out of lots of the colours that I use, and I haven't been able to find what I really like on the internet. I was surprised. What I thought I'd ordered on Amazon was a bit thick when it turned up. So I'm going to have to nip out, I think. It's going to sort of eyeball that, I think. There you go. Let's put the glue on there. Let's pop that down like that for now. Let's pop that in. I'll try not to smudge the edges. And I think I might just use these little butterflies. So I fussy cut them out. Such a funny word, makes me chuckle, fussy cut. And I got these little scissors from Hobbycraft for doing that. But you can patiently use any small scissors initially, I know. There you go. That'll go there, I think, quite nicely. And I'm just going to use 3. Just going to use 3, I think, at different intervals. That'll do there. And then let's pop that there for now. Okay. Right, I think, I don't know how we're doing for time. I'm going to have to leave this to dry for a little bit. And then I will do another, I think, video on how to cover the inside. We'll do that anon. So that's the basis. That's the basics of that one. Hope you like it. I'll leave that to dry. And what we're going to do is, actually I don't know if I can wing it. Might be able to do that now actually. Let's see. Got a little bit of time. So for the inside cover, I've chosen these pieces from the gift bag that I really liked. Because this is going to be a notebook rather than my convention notebook, I'm going to do, I have done pockets on the others. I've made pockets on the inside to just slip little bits in, maybe like your program or different things. But on this one I might leave it plain and do pockets actually inside with the signatures, and I'll show you how we do those in my next video. I'm popping the signatures of the books together as we speak. So I'm just going to, because when we open up the book and you're looking through, I don't really want to be seeing the black masking tape. Not that it matters for most, and sometimes you can get really pretty tape, to be honest. Duct tape you can get so that when you open up your book in between signatures, you don't see, that's what you see. You see the pretty colours. So I just cover this spine, but as I say, you don't have to do it. You can see it's not done down at the bottom. I might just quickly do that cover just down at the bottom there. Let's just cut another little bit to the bottom and patch that up, I think. Yeah, let's just do that. If you haven't got an edge of the top edge of this paper, it can be an absolute nightmare to try and peel apart. So you know what? We haven't got time, have we, really, to be messing about. I will just glue it on. So glue that under like that. Okay. And I do have a, there you go. So I'm just going to hold that up like that. And once it's dry, it's easy just to trim the raw edge. Okay. I'm hoping, there you go, there you go, there you go. I do have a particular bookbinding thingy for doing that, which I thought I'd brought with me. I've been moving around the house trying to get the best place to film for the light, and in the morning my living room is the best place because as yet I haven't got a dedicated space for my crafting. So right, so you've got that covered. Oh, got that covered. Doesn't have to be particularly even unless you're rather OCD, and then that's your thing. You just do it. But I am just going to now cover the inside with that there. And I will probably edge. I will probably put something on the edge actually. On the edging, so there we go. So that's for that one. I love these blue lilies. Absolutely love those. And goods on the inside. I haven't particularly inked the edges. You could do that if you wanted. And I may go in actually, once it's all dry, I may just go in and ink those edges there. Might ink that edge. And on the back here, my lovelies, we have there you go. Let's have it that way up. Let's just cover up those edges there like that. Bring it right to the end. And that's what I use for that. But and I may actually, I might go in after this, and you'll probably see it in the next video once I do the signatures. I might actually get a few more of these butterflies, I think, and just dot around on here just for effect, because I really quite like that. I really quite like that. I shall glue those down a bit further, and I may well just edge, perhaps edge the, yeah. So the next section, so anyway, that's that done for now, guys. So you've got the one image, or the three images, and I've done them quite differently. So now you have that's quite, I think it's quite simple. Quite simple. This more grungy, vintage, and what I've done is I've put text on there, scripture. Galatians and a little bit of the text that we were looking at, and ink the edges to make it look really quite vintage and collaged, just tore strips and collaged. And as this one you can see is looking a lot cleaner. I quite like that actually, a little less fussy, and I will do that on. So the next thing we're going to be doing after this, I've started to do already, is preparing signatures. So that will be the next video, is actually preparing the signatures to put inside the journals. And so I've started to collect papers already. As you can see, they look absolutely beautiful. So that's it for now. So I hope you have a rough idea of how you can cover your journals. And so the next part will be putting your signatures together, and then we'll be sewing them in. So thanks for joining me. I hope it's been inspiring-ish and useful, particularly for beginners. And I'll see you again once again. Take care. Bye. Bye.